Hey, welcome back to the Stebbins Garage YouTube channel. This is part 4 of the Honda Civic rebuild for my niece. In this episode, we're going to take the car to the body shop, drop it off, let them do the quarter panel replacement, and do some paint work for us. They're going to paint the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the quarter panel. And then we're going to get it all and bring it back here to my shop, put it up on the lift, and get it all put back together. Make sure you subscribe if you like this build because I've got some more coming. I've got obviously this Firebird, this other Firebird, and a couple other projects that we're going to be working on here in the near future. So thanks for watching and stay tuned. Well, we're on the way to the body shop and the car seems to be just fine. It's tracking a little weird. We got to get that control arm fixed, but it should be fine. The brakes are a little noisy because they're rusty, but that'll clear up as well after I drive it a little bit. My sister's following me over, so we're only going a few miles and then we'll drop it off.
Yeah. Good to see her.
You didn't want to go far, you want to go up Mitchell Hill or something, go around the curve.
That's what we don't want her to do.
Yeah, there you go.
No.
You won't Mitchell.
Thanks.
Hi.
See ya.
I just stopped in at Buddy's and he showed me the Civic. Almost have the quarter ready to go on. Everything's fitted. Just need to do a little final finish and then spot weld it. So we'll be good. Probably another week or so and it'll be ready for paint.
But it's going back right there, and I'm gonna probably weld this one. Instead of drilling holes, I might, well, I can't now. I told Bud, I said, boy, I could. cut off. Yeah. No, we can't get off the car anyway.
So this is the grill from the green Civic for my niece, and it has some damage right here. So we got a new grill, the plastic part, but we're gonna delete the chrome, and basically what that means is I'm gonna wrap it with some 3M 2080 gloss black vinyl. So we're gonna take these 3 pieces of chrome off and do that, and then I will probably either hyper dip the emblem, or I may try wrapping it depending on how complex it is, but I figured you might want to see that too.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So got the emblem off without breaking the tabs. Basically you just need something, slide it behind here, and any kind of squeegee, anything. Put one on one side, one on the other, just gently move it, and it should pop out at some point. I think I'm just gonna wrap this. I think that'll look the best. We'll see how that goes.
It sound right, boys. Sound right, boys.
I just finished wrapping the emblem. First time I've wrapped an emblem like this, but I think it turned out nice.
It sound right, boy.
Should be good.
Just for some training. Oh, that was
Two coats of wax. Yeah. Finally got the Civic back from the body shop. Everything went well. Quarter looks great. Everything's painted. I have the side skirts inside the garage. I need to go ahead and throw those on. Got some parts over there. Been sitting beside the garage for a couple months. We need to put those on, and then we're going to put the interior back in. So we're almost there. Okay, the Civic is back at the garage. We've got some side skirts here. They're kind of filthy. That's the first thing I'm going to put on today. And once we get the side skirts cleaned up and put on, we'll tackle that interior. And then we'll be ready to go to inspection. So let me go ahead and get these cleaned up. While I'm doing this, I ought to mention that when you go to put the rocker or the side skirt back on, the clips go on the side skirt and then it just clips in. You don't have to like slide it back on the clips or anything on the body. If you have some that are already on the body, like this one's already installed, just twist it like that and then wiggle it a little bit, it comes right out. That way you don't have to have any special tools to get them off and you don't have to worry about breaking them. I mean, these are pretty cheap, but no sense tearing stuff up if you don't need to. Side skirts are on. They fit nicely. I've got a couple broken clips. Gonna have to replace those. Next up, spare tires going in. We're gonna clean this out real quick and then I guess secure all that carpeting and stuff like it's supposed to go, and then we'll finish out the trunk and we can move on.